Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing only what Panda X needs: an up-to-date install, enough memory, and your API token. Begin by creating a clean project folder and place sample inputs in /data, then add a minimal config in /config. Once done, export your API token to Panda X token so the tool can access remote services. Make sure to use Panda X1, 2 or later for key features and bug fixes. This prevents version mismatches that break pipelines. Now run the initial check command to confirm readiness. You now scaffold and run the main pipeline. Start with Panda X init to generate pipeline templates and a sample config. Edit parameters for data paths and thresholds. Next, execute Panda X run profile equals dev to process inputs locally and validate outputs before deploying. While it runs, watch logs in /logs. If you need more detail, enable verbose to trace each task. Make sure to adjust concurrency settings to match your machine. This balances speed versus memory use and avoids unexpected failures. Finish by validating and deploying your work. Run Panda X validate to compare outputs with expected results, then deploy with Panda X deploy env equals prod and tag the release using semantic versioning. Once deployed, monitor metrics and storage usage to ensure stable operation. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: always check logs first, then confirm your API token has not expired and your config contains no syntax errors. These 3 checks resolve most issues quickly and get you back on track.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.